Hello, good morning mga langga. This is Simply Jackie. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng ating ulam na chicken adobo with a twist of pineapple tidbits. So this is our main ingredient, chicken cut into pieces. We have now our atsuitit or estiwiti sa Ilonggo para mag-enhance yung color ng ating chicken adobo. So we have our garlic and onions. We have our ginger, our bay leaf, onion leaves, and of course our ground pepper. This is also our soy sauce, our vinegar, and our pineapple tidbits, and of course our seasoning. So every time na gagawa tayo ng ating chicken adobo, o magluluto tayo ng chicken adobo, nilalagyan ko po siya ng atsuete. So igisa na natin yung atsuete natin to enhance the color of our adobo. So magisa na po tayo ng ating onions. So makikita ninyo kulay orange o mapula-pula yung ating onions because or garlic because of the atsuete na nilagay natin. We put our onions, sliced onions, and then our ginger. Ilagay na natin yung ating chicken as our main ingredient. So colorful yung ating chicken adobo because of the atsuete na ating gamit. We will add our 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper, some bay leaves, lagyan natin ng konting toyo, and some vinegar. Then idagdag natin yung sabaw or syrup ng ating pineapple tidbits para maging malasa yung ating adobo na chicken. So, ilaga natin ang ating syrup or pineapple syrup dito sa ating chicken adobo. So, we will add 1 teaspoon salt. Pandagdag natin sa lasa. So, kumukulo na yung ating chicken and let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes to become tender. So, halos namumula na po yung ating chicken adobo and malapit na po itong maluto mga sis. So, kaya na tikman natin yung ating sabaw. Kung okay na po yung ating lasa. At dahil malapit na po itong maluto, idagdag na natin yung ating pineapple tidbits. Para maging manamis-namis ang lasa ng ating chicken adobo. So, mix lang natin para ma-absorb ng ating yung sabaw. Ma-absorb niya yung lasa ng pineapple. So, medyo malapit na po ito. Season to taste na po natin yung ating chicken adobo. Huwag natin kalimutan ilagay yung ating spring onions. Para maging colorful. It added color to our nilutong chicken adobo. So, malapit na po natin tanggalan sa apoy yung ating niluto. So, ito na po yung ating chicken adobo. So, yummy and colorful. Ito yung ating ulam for lunch ngayong araw. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share and also hit the notification. Thank you for watching mga langga and God bless everyone. Bye!